guys, Doward down here in the computer lab. Going to be replacing the keyboard on this little Acer Aspire. This is a 5742G. Yes, 5742G. The keyboards on these things are dirt easy to replace, but I figured I'd throw together a little video for you guys. You should be able to see there's these little latches here. I just push in. See that? And there's a couple of these latches. One here. One here. One here, and you know, they go down the line wherever the heck they're at, right there. So to pop the keyboard out and start over on one side of it, and you're just going to push these clips in and let the keyboard just slightly come up, and you'll hear the little click when it pushes up. Come on, there we go. See, I lift it just a smidge. Now what I want to do is just lift ever so gently. Make sure I've got all the clips disconnected. As you can see, we're just working this up. It's fun to do one-handed, let me tell you. There we go. Work loose from the two sides. And of course I don't want to pull it off here because the cable, switch hands here, it's hooked up right there. Locking tab slides straight out toward you. And ta-da! Keyboard out the way. Now we'll take our brand new keyboard. We'll slide it off here. Go ahead and get our cable back in place. Cable in place. Make sure it's all the way in. Relock it. And as Haynes loves to say, installation is reversive removal. Make sure that you're down in these little clips down here. And just push it down in there. Go all the way around both sides, make sure it's fully clipped in. Check my clips here. There we go. Let's boot it and make sure it works. I even have a num lock indicator. Alright. Seems fine. Make sure my function keys work. Looks like everything's good. Alright. There we go. Replace the keyboard on a Acer Aspire 5742G. One-handed.